Hello good people, and welcome to our today's session where we are going to discuss about Forex trading styles. There are quite a number of trading styles, but our main focus today will be on scalping. So to begin with, what is a trading style, or rather a trading strategy? This is a set of rules which determine when a trader should buy or sell a certain currency pair, or maybe a certain product within the Forex market. The rules will also determine when to enter and also exit the markets. That way, with those rules, we will also be able to define which markets to work with. So you could be working with the US markets, the European, or you could be working with the Asian markets. The rules again will also define the times a trader will get into the markets. Say for example, you could be having time during the day, or somebody has early hours when the markets are opening, or maybe late in the evening before the markets close. That's the only time you could access the markets. So with a trading style, you are able to know at what times do I get into the markets, which markets do I work with, and when do I buy and when do I sell. And that's a trading style. There are three major trading styles, which include scalping, day trading, position, or swing trade. Whichever trading style you pick, it will largely depend on how much time you have available for trading. Because somebody could be running Forex trading as a side business, which means they might not have a lot of time to get into the markets during the day, or maybe somebody is fully into Forex trading on a full-time basis. That way, they have all the time during the day to access the markets. Or somebody else could be having maybe 1 or 2 moments within the week for them to access the markets. That way, there is always a trading style dependent on how much time you have. But today, we shall just discuss about scalping, and later we'll look at the other trading styles. So what is scalp trading? This one, it will focus majorly on taking small profits on a frequent basis, which means a scalper will make multiple entries into the markets and also make multiple exits into the markets. This trading style majorly fits people who have limited time during the day, or maybe somebody could have tea breaks or lunch break for them to access the markets, or maybe a few moments from morning to evening for them to be able to access the markets. This trading style can really fit people who don't have full time during the day. They just have moments here and there for them to be able to look at the markets. But what does that one mean? It means a scalper will only be able to access the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or sometimes the 1 hour time frames during the moment they access the markets. These shorter time frames will fit for the scalper to access or to analyze the markets, because they don't have much time to even look at the longer term trade frames. But with this kind of trading style, it requires very strict exit plan. So as much as you enter into the markets multiple times, you need to have very strict exit plan, because one large loss could wipe out the gains you have accumulated during the day. That way, you need to be very, very careful when you get into those into the markets, and also when you exit, you must have a plan which makes sure you don't wipe out all your profits. That's one of the drawdown of this trading style, because if you're not very careful, as fast as you get into the market, you also need to define at what point will you exit based on the time frames you are looking at. If you're looking at the 5 minute, or the 1 hour time frames, you need to set your exits or the take profits or the take loss at a point which does not harm your account or your profits in the long run. That brings us to the end of our discussion today. Next, we shall be talking about the other trading style, which is the day trading and a swing or a position trader. Kindly leave us a comment, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified once we release our next video. Thank you and bye bye for now.